Federal Mogul Holdings Corporation is an innovative and diversified global supplier to manufacturers of automotive, light commercial, heavy-duty and off-highway vehicles, as well as power generation, aerospace, marine, rail and industrial. Federal Mogul operates with two business divisions. Federal Mogul Motor Parts that sells and distributes products in the global vehicle aftermarket, and Federal Mogul Powertrain that focuses on original equipment for powertrain used for the automotive, heavy-duty and industrial applications. Forjas y Máquinas, better known as FOMASA, is a company focused on manufacture of diesel and gasoline engine valves and a supplier to the automotive industry worldwide. With over 30 years of experience in the city of Aguascalientes, in Forjas y Máquinas, we provide our customers with value, reliability, and quality through the most advanced technology. FOMASA was born in the city of Aguascalientes in 1982, with an initial production capacity of 4 million valves per year. Thanks to the effort of our collaborators and the planning skills of our directors, we have increased this capacity over tenfold to reach 66 million valves per year, which has consequently allowed us to become one of the most important plants within our division. Currently, FOMASA is a major source of employment and continuous growth in Aguascalientes. Federal Mogul Aguascalientes supplies engine valves to the most important automobile manufacturers all over the world, always setting the standard towards technological edge. Our performance is based on a formula for success that guarantees our employees' integrity as well as our products' effectiveness. Safety, quality, delivery. Our production process begins in the forging area, where steel is cut into small pieces called slugs, each of them with a specific weight depending on the part number to be produced. After cutting, the piece presents metal excess, or flash, which is removed through another process called tumbling. The valve will then take shape in a two-blow impact process: extrusion and coining. Within this operation, slug temperature reaches 1,200 degrees Celsius. Then, a 40-ton force is exerted for extrusion and another 120-ton force for coining. Once the valve is forged, it goes through different heat-treating processes, depending on steel grade and function: hardening and tempering for intake valves, solution and aging for exhaust valves. After heat treatment, valves end up with carbon buildup, so cleaning processes such as high-velocity impact of abrasive particles is applied. This operation is called sandblasting. During forging, heat treating or sandblasting, valves can be slightly bent and need to be straightened. Depending on the function they will perform, intake or exhaust, valves may need special processes. Friction welding, tip welding, plasma transferred arc or PTA welding. For the correct application of these special processes, the valve has to be prepared through a series of operations: tip cutting, stem grinding, machining porphyries, special quality inspections. Once these special processes are finished, the valve continues its transformation through grinding processes. The valve initially undergoes a stem rough grinding process, where most of the material is removed. Then, the stem is cut to a specific length and ground to a defined diameter. Next, the tip tempering process begins. This is done by induction heating of the tip to attain tempering and immediately cooling it down in oil. Tempering, therefore, reaches a hardness reading of over 50 on the Rockwell C scale. The second stage in the process is the final grinding, where different grindings are applied to give form to grooves, tip chamfer, underhead, seat, margin and edge braking. This is accomplished through abrasive wheels continuously dressed, so that form required is transferred to the valves. Finally, excess material on stem and seat is removed to meet design specifications. In order to guarantee the valve performance, all pieces undergo a leak test, which is a poke yoke, to assure proper sealing of the valves within the cylinder. Some customers request chrome-plated valve stems. Alternatively, the whole piece can go through a nitrate process. These types of coating give our valves higher wear resistance. At the end of the process, 100% of the material receives a thorough visual inspection, and then it is packed and sent to the customer. At Federal Mogul Aguascalientes, customer satisfaction is our responsibility. We make sure our equipment, processes and manpower function in a well-structured and defined manner, always in the pursuit of resources optimization and total customer satisfaction. Based on our quality policy, we have proudly earned us the ISO TS 16949 and the VDA 6.3 certification, the latter awarded by the German automotive industry quality system. At Federal Mogul Aguascalientes, we are greatly concerned about taking care of and keeping natural resources. We are strictly committed to following the principles stated in our environmental policy to make sure our products, processes, and working methods save and protect energy, natural resources, and our collaborators' well-being. Due to our strict environmental management system, we were awarded the ISO 14001 certification. Staff safety comes number one in our priority list. Hence, we identify potential dangers and risks originated from our processes and reduce them to the minimum. We are always up to date in health, safety and environmental issues and work hard to guarantee all our actions and operations are safe. Furthermore, our staff is continuously trained in accident prevention. Family plays a fundamental role in the development of our safety-related activities. It is our concern that safety becomes a lifestyle that transcends the company. At Federal Mogul Aguascalientes, safety is everyone's task. Federal Mogul Aguascalientes' success is the result of arduous teamwork with years of experience and an unceasing search for excellence. Throughout its existence, Federal Mogul Aguascalientes has forged itself a solid reputation within the automotive industry as a reliable, competitive, and world-class manufacturing supplier. Federal Mogul Aguascalientes' value lies in its people, its processes, and its products.